Everybody wants to be really nice today.
A mangrove monitor. Let me see it. Bro, you got a pinky in your mouth. Hey, Veezy fam! Today we have an epic video. You guys said in the last video you guys like reptiles. Somebody called us and said, yo, we got a reptile for you. What was that? The first reptile of the Veezy fam. And whose gift is it gonna be? Whose pet?
Mine.
Yours?
Yeah.
Anthony's. But guess who gets to name it? You guys do. So hey, stick with us. We'll be right back.
Right foot creep over, walking with that heat walk. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see.
Yo, so we're here at our favorite place, Wild Cargo Pets in West Palm Beach, Florida. We're gonna come and see our friends Aaron and Hillary. We're gonna see what kind of epic pet they got for us. Epic. They got everything here. I know they got something amazing, so we're gonna come in here and check it out. No ski masks allowed in the business, guys. Okay! So they have everything here. What is that? That's a boa, bro. Look at this guy.
It's sick.
Hey, what's up, dude?
He's in the water, Ben.
He's swimming?
Yeah.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
What did they want us to get here?
It's a bear dragon.
A red leatherback dunner. Hi, dunner.
This one's cool. It's really big.
What's that? Oh my goodness.
Big.
That's a sandfire bearded dragon. What do you guys think about bearded dragons? We should get one of those soon. That's a sandfire bearded dragon. That's a sandfire. Oh, Wyatt's down here.
All right.
What's up, dude? What do you got? What's over here?
This is what we actually called you guys about.
Oh, bro, what is that?
This is a mangrove monitor.
A mangrove monitor. Dude, that thing is sick. Pick him up, Anthony.
Oh no.
They scratch and bite.
Oh, so get bit, son. It's good content.
Ow.
So tell me about him, Wyatt. What's up with him?
So this guy, about max size, is gonna get about 3 feet. He's pretty calm, actually. He's just all riled up because I just took him out of his little hiding spot in there. But this guy, max size about 3 feet. He's eating on pinky mice, tilapia, a bunch of different stuff.
We have tilapia, an unlimited amount.
But he does calm down once you get him handled a little bit.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
What is that? How'd that feel, buddy? Aw, look at Wyatt being a dad. You guys know anybody that has a mangrove monitor? Any other YouTubers? I don't think Paul has one. I don't know if Blake has one. Joey. Do the Florida boys have one?
Nope, nothing.
But the Veezy fam has one now. Do we have a name for him yet, or should we let them pick?
Let them pick.
Guys, comment down below.
We'll let you hold a little bit of a bigger monitor.
Oh.
Now this guy here, he has just a lot sharper claws. I've never been bit, well, technically, I've been bit by yellow QUINCE monitors before.
Yellow QUINCE monitor.
Not the nicest feeling for sure, but his claws are way sharper. That feels really like, you know.
He ain't trying to jump down though. He knows to hang out.
He knows to hang out for sure.
He's so much friendlier.
Just kind of let him do it. Don't put a lot of pressure into it. That's how you cut.
Ow, 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 ow.
What? You ain't bleeding.
It hurts.
Just let him walk on you, like that.
I want to.
Dude, that's sick. Your job is to, number 1, like the video, and number 2, drop a name below. We got a name. Is it a boy or a girl?
I think it's a male. I think.
We think. So how can we tell? Aaron, we need you to sex a lizard.
It's sexy. I know that. This one's a male.
And how can you tell?
You'll see a little bit of hemipene bulges on the sides there and right there.
Hemipene bulges. Do you have that?
So these are your guys' pinky mice, what you'll be feeding your mangrove monitor.
Are you going to count each one?
I'm going to count each one.
I'm trying to confuse Wyatt, guys, while he's counting, so he messes up and throws a bunch of extra in there. You should have let Anthony count. Can you count to 100?
Yeah.
That's 25 in there. Go.
All right, 25, 26, 27. Go. You got to go to 100.
28, 29.
Bro, we'll be here all day. Open your mouth, bro. Let me see. Open your mouth. Let me see it. Bro, you got a pinky in your mouth. This kid's out of his mind. What did it taste like? Now it's thawed out from your tongue. Now you got to eat the rest of it.
No.
Hope your mom doesn't see this video.
By the way, I've never put one of these in my mouth before, so that's definitely a first. Same thing as last time for you.
Go.
Take a few. Oh, not that big of a handful. You're really gonna taste like vinegar. Yeah, about like that, yeah. Good little bit, yeah. Go ahead.
wrong with you guys? You guys are all weird. Guys, Wild Cargo Pets in West Palm. If you guys want to just eat worms and pinkies, you guys find Wyatt. Actually, how about this? Go to Wyatt's Instagram right now. Tell him the Veezy fam sent you and say hi. There, you have worms still coming off of your shirt, bro. Yeah, eat this. Here, open your mouth. Here, just eat. You love snakes, dude. If he bites you, you know it won't hurt, right? Wow, you look great. Any animal that has teeth bites. Never asked, does it bite? I hate when people ask that, what does it bite? Everything bites, dude. All right, guys, we are on a hunt to find something to bite Wyatt. He's looking for something to bite him. Crazy. So that's gonna bite you.
More than likely. So this is a coastal carpet python. Now,
Oh, he's good looking.
This guy is a striker for sure. They're basically like the pit bull of the animal, of the snake world, basically. These guys and blood pythons.
Blood pythons.
Everybody wants to be really nice today.
Oh, he's ready.
Yeah, he's ready. The only thing I don't want is my face.
He's ready.
I've been bit there once, and that's the only time I want to get bit there again.
Really, dude?
Oh my god.
Nothing will bite him.
No, it's really like annoying. Nothing.
All right, guys, Wild Cargo Pets, come here, and every snake is friendly and won't bite you. So I guess they're all safe for your kids because Wyatt doesn't get bit by them. How do you not get bit by everything we got in here?
Good question.
We still have some convincing at home to do before we can get any snakes, but I told you guys, stay tuned. There's gonna be some reptiles coming. Wait, we got a monitor today. We got a reptile. He's a reptile, right?
Yeah.
If you get your mom to convince you to let you have a snake, I'll give you one.
Oh. Oh.
I'll give you one.
Give you one.
I said I feel invincible. Hold on. It's 100 in the spot. I will keep going. It's 85.
All right, so you said you wanted to kiss the snake?
Yeah.
Show me then.
If it bites you on the lip, it's wonderful.
So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just put all their stuff down below, all their Instagrams, and just make sure you guys go there and tell them that we sent you over. Wait, what is this, dude?
For the monitor.
For the... What the heck is this? We're gonna go home and set this monitor tank up. So stick with us, guys, and we're gonna be home in like... All right, guys, we are back home, and I didn't show you this before, but the reason that it really kind of works out and it's like crazy how this happens, a very good friend gave us this tank. Said she bought it, she had a bearded dragon, but something happened and she had to move and whatever the case may be. So we have this tank. This right here, we're gonna do this on the bottom. It keeps moisture. It's, oh, what is that? Oh, looks like you.
Hey.
All right, so put this on the bottom in there. Always use your teeth.
No.
Fine. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in here and we're gonna put this nice and even on the bottom. Probably half a bag, I would say. So that's gonna be on the bottom for the moisture. And then this right here, this bedding, it's like cypress mulch. That's gonna be on the top. So we're gonna do a nice light cover of this as well. Probably another half a bag. They really like swimming, so I think we're gonna have to do a bathtub video soon.
Yeah.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath.
You in the bathtub with him, and then I'll throw a whole bunch of fish in there.
Yeah.
And let him eat either you or the fish. Yeah?
How about the fish?
Well, hopefully the fish. All right, so this is enough.
We're gonna put some.
And then we're gonna have to spread it evenly. We're gonna go right there and then push all this stuff up to it. Oh, I hate all this. It's gonna be so messy. You're gonna have to change this water out every day, son.
Why do you give him football water?
No, bro, I need this for him. I'll get you more water later. He needs it. He said he's thirsty. All right, so we're gonna put some water in here. Ooh. And this is gonna be his hiding rock.
Nice.
But this way, so we can still see them. They love sticks. Oh yeah, with these guys, you need a UV bulb and a regular bulb, and they need 12 hours of light, and then at night you turn it off so you replicate the sun. All right, Let's get him in there, Tone. So if this guy gets out, there's pretty much no way we're ever gonna find him. They don't make any noise.
No.
Sorry, Momma Veezy, so don't let Anthony drop them. They don't make any noise, and they're super, super fast.
No.
So he's gonna go pew until he's like 4 feet big, and then he's gonna be chilling. Oh yeah, also, this tank is good for him for now, but once he gets like a couple feet, we're gonna get a new one, and I got an up and coming video for that, because we met a company we really like, and we'll get into that later.
Does he bite?
Yes.
Ow!
And he has nails.
Put him in. Going in your home, bud.
Oh my goodness. That thing won't climb up, will it?
Yes, he will. So this, guys, is not the ideal tank for him. It works, but what we're gonna do until he gets bigger is we're gonna put some tape over this, so even if he can't slide it. So this is his tank right now.
He can open it?
This is one of the smartest lizards in the world.
Why is he in our house?
Because we have the smartest kids in the world, so why not have the smartest lizard with them? Duh. So now he gets to hang out in here and walk around his new house. He's long. He's gonna need a bigger tank like soon, very soon. He is amazing looking.
So what do we call him though? Like right.
What do we call him today?
Like right, yeah.
Bob. Oh, his foot's in the water.
You know what that means? Brain game, brain game, brain game, brain game.
All right, guys, it is that time of the show called the brain game. We're gonna ask you guys 3 questions. You're gonna comment your answers below. If you're correct on all 3 answers, you might get shouted out in our last video. Shout out to Nathan, who got all the questions right in our last video. Question number 1. What was the name of the store that we got this monitor at?
Question number 2. What kind of monitor is he?
Question number 3. Excluding, that means not counting, shorts, how many videos have we put up so far? What's 1 plus 1?
Peace! Oh.